family? Today I want to share with you a very delicious quesadilla salvadoreña. It's a delicious bread that you guys are really going to love and is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing quesadilla salvadoreña, this amazing bread, these are the ingredients. Of course, the Salvadorian cheese, the Salvadorian sour cream, eggs, unsalted butter, milk, the sour cream, baking powder, rice flour, and granulated sugar. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing Salvadorian quesadilla. It's perfect for this cold weather, so let's get started. I want to start here showing you the Salvadorian cheese. This Salvadorian cheese is a little salty. That's why I'm not adding any salt to the rest of the ingredients, okay? And I'm only going to use 6 ounces of the cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and start grating it just like that. This is very important to grate the cheese so that it really incorporates with the dry ingredients. Look at this. I'm just gonna continue shredding it just like that until I am completely done. The aroma of this cheese is very penetrated. You could really smell the aroma of the cheese, and this is what's gonna make this amazing quesadilla delicious. Of course that I'm using the Salvadorian cheese and the Salvadorian sour cream that you could find in any Hispanic supermarket. I added 4 eggs. I'm adding the sugar. To this, I'm going to add the crema, the sour cream. I'm going to add the milk. And now we are going to incorporate it really good with the hand mixer. It's gonna take about maybe 2 to 3 minutes before everything really incorporates and all the color gets nice and pale of the eggs. Right now it's nice and yellow, but it's gonna get really pale, and when it's like this, then it's ready. Now I'm gonna put through the sifter the rice flour, the baking powder, and this is what's going to help this quesadilla to be nice and fluffy when you put it through the sifter and you just sift all your dry ingredients. And now I'm going to incorporate it really good into the wet ingredients, making sure that all the rice flour is incorporated and there's no little lumps of the rice flour. Once this is done, we are going to go ahead and start adding the cheese, the grated cheese. I'm gonna go ahead, add the cheese. I'm going to incorporate it really good with the spatula. For this part, we don't need the hand mixer. We're just gonna incorporate it really good with the spatula. Look at this. This just looks amazing. The aroma is just so good of the cheese and the sour cream. And once this is done, it's gonna look nice and thick, but yet really creamy and chunky. Look at this. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, for my baking dish, I'm gonna use the homemade non-stick baking cream that you guys already have on my channel. But I wanted to show you the texture of the mixture of the quesadilla. Look at this. Now I have here the non-stick baking cream that is homemade. You put it in your refrigerator before you use it. Take it out at least 2 hours before using it, and nothing will stick to the pan. Anything you bake, cakes, bread, you decide. You add just a little bit with the brush right on the edges, and that's what I'm going to do with both of my baking dish. Once this is done, I'm going to cover it and put it back in the refrigerator where it's going to go solid. And now I am adding half of the mixture to one container and the other half to another. This quesadilla really comes out so delicious that, to tell you the truth, it won't last more than 2 days here at home because it's really fluffy. The flavors are amazing, and I was almost forgetting the sesame seeds. These go right on the top for decoration, and it really gives it an amazing flavor when it's nice and crispy from the top. And now I have preheated my oven to 350, and it's going to go into the oven for 40 minutes. Don't be opening your oven. Just put them in there, leave them for 40 minutes, and then just come back, and voila, they will be done. Look at this. After the 40 minutes, I'm going to get one out, and you could really see that it's really nice and fluffy. I'm using a little stick. If it comes out clean, that means the quesadilla is done. And now I am ready to get both out of the oven, and I'll see you when I'm getting them out of the baking dish. Look at this. Let them rest for at least 5 minutes so that you are able to handle it. 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so they come into room temperature. They look really golden brown from the top. The sesame seeds, you could really smell them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to take them out and show you the texture from inside. And with the homemade non-stick baking cream, they come out perfect. Look at this. Really nice and golden brown, and then they're still nice and hot. They look amazing. And now I want to show you from close up how they look from the inside. Look at this. They're really soft and tender. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. I can enjoy it with coffee or milk. See you in a bit. With this amazing quesadilla salvadoreña. My home smells amazing, and I can't wait to enjoy. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. It's nice and fluffy. Excuse me. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. It's really fluffy. The flavors of the Salvadorian sour cream and the cheese, perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing Salvadorian quesadilla at home for the holidays. With this cold weather, you really want to enjoy a delicious bread. Why not enjoy a traditional quesadilla from El Salvador? If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Salvadorian quesadilla made at home with lots of love. Leave me thumbs up, subscribe, share my video, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.